How to get to your first $500 to $1,000 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025 and beyond. So in this short video, it's 5 minutes, I'm going to share with you exactly how to do it step by step in 2025. Okay, so as you can see over here, this was all done with only one offer on ClickBank. Okay, so I was promoting new offer. Now I segment my ClickBank accounts by different niches so that I can exactly know what offer is doing really well that month or that week. Okay, so let me show you exactly. For example, this offer over here for brain memory. Okay, it's really compliant offer. What I mean by that, I mean you can run it on Facebook ads, uh, Google pay-per-click ads, TikTok, YouTube, anywhere you want, without having to worry that your ad account is going to get shut down, like with most weight loss offers. Okay, now when I'm about to promote some offer, what I'm looking at is not just only the product quality, but also is there any upsell take rate, are there any downsells, is the offer doing well. I never research by any gravity. So if you heard the BS from any guru on ClickBank that you have to look by gravity, I would not suggest. I would even say go and promote offers that have zero gravity or low gravity or private offers where others don't have any access to them. Okay, so let me show you exactly how this works. You'll see. Now the first thing when it comes to ClickBank affiliate marketing, okay, is to understand what traffic source you're going to use. With Google pay-per-click ads, we know that we are looking for buyers clicks, meaning people only buy when they are in the buyer's mode, or let's call it not only problem state but solution state. Okay, so the best thing is, my friend, as you watch this video with ClickBank and Google pay-per-click ads in 2025, that you can segment by buyers. Okay, not only Windows shoppers but also buyers. So if you have tried affiliate marketing with ClickBank, Digistore, MaxWeb, whatever in the past, and you have lost money, you failed, it's not your fault. Why? Because you did not have the right blueprint, you didn't have the right guidance along the way, especially one-on-one in 2025. Okay, if you're just buying a course, it's not enough. Okay, you need personal one-on-one mentorship and support. That's the only thing. I guess free advice will only take you that far, but you need specially one-on-one tailored support to succeed in 2025. You can see why most people are failing. Why? And again, it's not your fault. You have been taught the outdated methods that used to work last year in 2005, but now, of course, it doesn't work anymore because algorithm is changing, the rules are changing. So as you can see, simple example: if you go to Facebook or YouTube, you see some Facebook ads or Google ads, you will see some weird images like this. Yes, it gets attention, but the wrong kind of attention. You get just curiosity clicks. What I mean by that, I mean like people are only curious to see what's on the landing page, what's on the other page, and they don't buy. So you lost money, and that's why, my friend, maybe you're afraid to invest in ads. Actually, you're not investing; you're buying data, info. Okay, and let me show you how this works in practice. Let's say today we spent $35 on Google ads or Facebook ads. You got one sale. Let's say the full sale, the full entire funnel pays out $216. So you as an affiliate, you have made $181 in a day. You can see you have made a profit. You spent only $35. There is psychology behind ads. Now you don't have to learn this yourself. You don't have to quit your 9 to 5. You can do this beside your 9 to 5. Okay, wherever in the world you are, without having to show your face on camera, without making any videos. Okay, without making a website yourself. All this can be done for you and together with you, as long as you're serious to get results, to get sustainable results. Okay, I'm talking about $300 or $500 per day, even more, but sustainable every single day, not just one day here and then the next day different. No, we're talking about sustainable results. Okay, so you can see what we get done together over Zoom calls, one-on-one. Build out entire Google ad campaign in a day, and you need 20 to 30 minutes per day. Once you have campaign running, you practically need 20 to 30 minutes per day to do this. Okay, so you can see over here how this works, right? And it's all about understanding who is your audience. Okay, if you're wondering and you're afraid or scared that you're gonna lose money, that you lost money in the past, It's not your fault because you didn't know exactly the framework psychology behind ads. You see, you cannot use the same ad copy on Facebook that you're using on YouTube, TikTok, or Google. Because Google is different than YouTube or TikTok, right? On Google is Google search, meaning people are already in the buying mode. They know they have a problem. So problem awareness state. There are buyers awareness states. There are buyers clicks. So you have to understand that. Okay? And that's why if you're following the rest, what 99% of people are doing, you get the same results. Alright? So you have to separate yourself, invest in yourself, and have at least 30 minutes per day to do this. And you'll be able to go from zero to start having 100, 200, 500, $1,000 days with ClickBank affiliate marketing as a beginner, as a newbie in 2025. Okay? And you can scale from there. You can scale from $300 per day to $600 per day and so on and so forth. And that's how it works in practice in 2025. So as you watch this video, you can reach out to me later over here on my Instagram, as you can see, on my Facebook, on my WhatsApp number, on my email. If you're serious, if you want to take it seriously in 2025 to start having results with ClickBank, as you can see over here, you can reach out to me, okay, and ask any questions you want in regards to ClickBank affiliate marketing.